Hi guys, so try natin i-connect yung aking portable monitor sa aking laptop. So, yung portable monitor guys is this one. So, it needs power. So, gagamitin ko yung cable na binigay nila sa akin to put the power. Okay. So, it has power now. No signal. So, ito yung HDMI from my laptop. So, gagamitin ko to connect siya. Alright, and then sabi niyang sa instruction is FN Alt plus P. FN Alt P. Walang nangyari. So, gusto ko kasing extended siya eh. So, it's very nice guys. My laptop is 15 inches and my portable monitor is 11.6 inches. So, hold on. FN plus P. Ayaw. So, I would like to change into okay, so naka-extend na siya guys. So, it's very nice. You see, very nice laptop worth $50. Extended, I mean. Portable monitor pala. Portable monitor. So, try natin magbukas ng for example is yes, so I want extend here. Wow, it's so much nicer and very light. So wow, it's so nice. Very, yung ano din niya is very nice. Yung speaker niya, very, very nice. So, let's see what is here. So, let's sign in. Okay. Yun. Okay. Merry Christmas, Ninong and Ninang. Ang ganda guys. So, yan. Pero ang kun lang ng kunya. Sa ano yata to. Pag ganito yung ano nila, tingnan nga natin yung iba. Try natin itong ABS-CBN News.
The song of the Christmas angels remind us that peace in our hearts and in the world flows from the freedom born of God-centered lives. The peace that is the gift of the Christ child. Ang tunay na kapayapaan
So, ayan guys, ang aking portable monitor. Thank you for viewing my vlog for today. Thank you so much.